Hey team, it's Scott from Bartlow's Barbecue, and today I'm introducing to you for the first time Newair 6.7 cubic feet deep freezer. Every backyard barbecue enthusiast and griller needs a deep freezer to store all that meat. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you to the garage, unbox this thing, and then give a little demonstration of how it all works. Let's get into it. Man, they got this thing boxed up really good. Let's talk features. This thing is 6.7 cubic feet. So let's show you what that looks like here. That's essentially a little past 3 foot. And the height is 33. And the width is 21 inches. 21 inches. So there you have it. That's one of the first features. And now I want to show you the inside and some of the digital aspects of this. Now it says initially when you turn it on for the first time, you're going to set it to 7 degrees for 30 minutes, it looks like. Or excuse me, after 24 hours, and then you can set it to your desired temperature after that. All right, let's show you the features of the inside. It comes with a nice basket, and you can purchase more baskets if you want. Then it's kind of got a 1 foot built in on the bottom, so you kind of got 2 different layers. It's probably a foot tall and 12 inches tall and 12 inches wide. And then it's got a drain from the inside. You got the drain on the front side here. As you can see, you've got a light here, be able to see things that are inside different parts of your day that you're looking to see what's in the deep freezer. Nice lid that just stays open, and as we shut that, you can see it kind of pops back open, so that's a nice feature. You're not going to slam your head. And then it takes 120 volts to plug in as far as what you're needed, and then we've got a nice digital display that can kind of show you what the temperature is. And let me just real quickly show you the settings here. There's 2 different settings. It says we've got 2 settings for freezing, -15 Fahrenheit to 7 degrees Fahrenheit. And then another set is 32 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit. So you got some options depending on how you might want to utilize this deep freezer. And so we're going to definitely use this for a lot of barbecue meats and anything that's left over. And again, you could use something that's already frozen or something fresh that you want to freeze. And another cool feature is the fast freezing mode. So you want to set that 24 hours before it takes to get things frozen fast. And then you anticipate what you want to go from fresh to frozen. You are ready to go. It's ready to do that. So that's a great feature as well about this. And it's really light. I like how light it is. It's got some nice wheels on the bottom so it rolls really easily. So I'm going to roll it into this spot and we are set. All right, team, so another cool feature is when the door is ajar, it has an alarm that goes off. So that's really nice so you don't lose any frozen food. It also has a nice self-diagnosis feature. So if something's broken, it will help you quickly identify what's wrong. And I think that's a really smart feature as well. It's got a compressor and it's not too loud. I recognize we're still getting to its desired temperature, but so far so good. And it's super light. This thing is it seems very durable, but also light and easy to move. So I really like that about this Newair. It's also got a locking feature where you just push down these 2 buttons at the same time and it locks it for you. I don't have a lot to freeze right now, but I've got some ice cream I put in here and some pizza dough balls that we're gonna put there. And then I'm gonna be filling this up with a lot of steaks and barbecue meat. So more to come on that. Put in the comments, let me know what other things you would be filling this up with. All right, friends, and the last thing I want to tell you about is the price. Right now, this is currently listed for $5.99 for a 6.7 cubic feet deep freezer, and I think that's a really good price for that size compared to others out there and all the cool features it comes with. So again, this is a quick demonstration and hope all these things made sense. If you have questions, put them in the comments and I'll see if I can get the answers to you. Well, there you have it. We have done a conclusion in our demonstration of the Newair deep freezer, and I love it. Can't wait to put this thing to work. I want to thank Newair also for sending this product so that we could demonstrate it to our Bartlow's barbecue community. Thank you guys. Also, friends, if you haven't liked this video or even subscribed to the channel, we'd love for you to do that right now. It helps support us, but we're also to support you and teaching you the basics of barbecue and grilling. We've got a lot of different great playlists and videos on product reviews and grills and just 101 basics, and also some fast fire shorts that you might want to check out, and some also enhanced videos on different recipes that you might want to try as well and impress your neighbors and your family. So friends, so grateful that you're watching. Put in the comments what you thought of this deep freezer. And again, till next time, less hate, more love, good barbecue. We'll see you next time.